Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024-2023 Audi S7. In the realm of sport compact cars, the 2023 Audi S7 emerges as a standout choice, seamlessly blending performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. As part of Audi's esteemed S lineup, the S7 represents the perfect synthesis of power, agility, and sophistication, setting new standards for excellence in its segment. Powering the 2023 Audi S7 is a potent 2.9-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive 444 horsepower and 443 lb-ft of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, the S7 delivers exhilarating acceleration and precise power delivery. With its potent powertrain and dynamic capabilities, the S7 accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 4 seconds, making it one of the quickest cars in its class. But the S7 isn't just about straight-line speed, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Audi's engineers have fine-tuned the S7's suspension, chassis, and steering to provide exceptional agility and responsiveness, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with ease. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the S7 offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Audi S7 exudes an air of modern elegance and athleticism. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and signature LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The S7's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by features such as 20-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust outlets, and S-specific styling cues, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the S7 offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, wood trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Audi's MMI infotainment system, virtual cockpit, and Bang & Olufsen premium sound system provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Audi S7 is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Audi S7 represents the pinnacle of performance, luxury, and technology in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the S7 sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Audi's commitment to delivering unparalleled driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or tackling twisty mountain roads, the S7 promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.